So today, okay, so here's the thing. I was gonna be Frankenstein for Halloween. The outfit wouldn't fit me, so I got something else. I'll show it to you right now. I put it on the hanger. It's Strangler's Laura Redmore, awesome costume. So, I still have my Dracula costume from last year, so for our Halloween special, I'm gonna wear my Dracula costume. See? See? Yeah. It's kind of wrinkly, but still it's awesome. Fits perfectly. I really like it. So, it has fish net. Yeah, I'm excited for the video. It's gonna be awesome. I'll do my costume review with her. Crazy Girls 102. And that's it. See ya. Next video will be up soon. See ya.